In this video, we are going to show you how to save 10% on your Hostinger subscription. Now, Hostinger is a popular budget-friendly web hosting provider designed for beginners and small businesses to build and manage your websites. Now, if you want to get 10% discount on your Hostinger plan, all you need to do is go to the description below and click on the link that we have provided there. It's going to bring you here on the Hostinger website, and all you need to do is create a free account. Use your Gmail is the fastest way to do so. And once that's done, click on pricing here. As you can see here, click on pricing, like so. And then here, just choose what service you are looking for. For the most part, people go here for web hosting. And in this example, we're just going to choose the most popular one, which is the premium option. Just click on choose plan, like so. Now that you are here on your cart, all you need to do is click on have a coupon code here on the order summary. So as you can see here, it's in purple. Click on this. This pop-up will appear, and all you need to do is enter our coupon code here, which is Hostography, all caps, and you will be able to save 10% discount. Click apply. Wait for it to load again, and as you can see, the coupon has been applied, and just go through the typical checkout process. After that, you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.